So it needs the same adjustments we did before. We got better, so we need to do it again.
I was gonna grab it.
Well, I don't want you to feel like you're working too hard.
Oh, my hand's starting to cramp.
Oh. Well, there's a tripod over there.
I'm not qualified.
You can carry the crank. You want to carry the crank? Or something. Yeah, we're leaking air. Something's leaking air. Okay, what are we gonna get this time? Like it was over there. This one's on center, slightly past, just past center. This one again. It moved. More than I expected it would. Watch your toes. Kind of going in circles right now. Dead center, more or less. Ooh, this one's getting close to where we want it to be. That's different. They're opposite each other again. They don't want to be on the same plane, that's for sure. And here. And center. Yeah, being a pain. Way over there. That one's over there. Go back a little bit, not much. It's back on center. Back on center. Same problem. This one's worse than that one also. This needs the bigger heading. So, how many hits this time? Five hits. On one side?
Yep.
Some fucking hard hits or just not?
Yeah.
So.
Last one's a hard one.
The last one's a hard one?
Yeah.
So you want 5 wide hits? Hey, don't hit there. Go over there. Socket came off the... I think we're shocking my tool.
Oh boy.
On this side maybe. Okay. And then just for good measure, we can only hit this side once. Don't want to feel like it's left out. Check our nut torque next time. They lose torque as you beat on them.
Makes sense.
I'm not hitting it, didn't move. This one did. It's on the opposite side now. Or was it? I forget. Was it on that side or not that side? It's down there now. They're on the same side now. Good deal. And one over the other side, that easy. See, it works good in this, screws up this side. This side's more important. That's not gonna get much better on that side. And it's right back to its normal location. Alright. Oh, that loosened up a bunch. That was way loose. That was scary loose. I was like, how do I put that? In there. Oh, this one's tight. Oh yeah, that one didn't move much. This one moved a bunch. So all the movement was on this side. This one we lost maybe about 80 foot-pounds. This one we lost 250, 300. I don't know how much torque I was getting out of it. 200. So this side is moving around it. We're trying to make it fix down here, but it's moving up here because this is a lot bigger than that one. That's what we're trying to move. Trying to get it to move. No, I'm not using that. Check the torque. That didn't move. Stay tight. Okay, how bad is it going to be this time? We did a lot of stuff. That should be perfect. Pretty close.
That's good.
Yeah, this side's a little worse. It's high there. Ah, they're high in the same spot. All right. A little bit of a tap on this one. Bring it in a little bit better. They both got better. That one's still a touch better. It's watering a little bit down. Okay, get pretty close. Still high there. Then move to the other side. It's over here now somewhere. We're stopping. Okay, you happy with that?
I'm happy with that.
You just tired.
I am tired.
I'm good with that too. Just had to give what I wanted. Torqued the shit out a couple of times and hit it a couple more times. That's all I wanted. A little attention. Alright. Do we leave the lid of the flywheel?
Nah.
This has material, you know. Can't just have that thrown in the trash. I didn't throw that in the trash, no. Okay, we still got our, look at that, we still got our end play. Good. It's a good crank now. It was pretty shitty.
Yeah.
You see all that lead hammer doesn't hurt the flywheel. I'll mark on it. All right. That part's good. We'll be back.